barb saw it on my back. I cut it off and haven't seen one of these in forever, just in the nature books. It's amazing you can even fly with that thing. It's supposed to be able to drill through wood. It is June 10th. Taking pictures of the garden. Haven't done it in a while since the flowers have been in finally. And pond is still covered with crap. So far, Callie's been figured out how to get in through here, but anyway, here's how that's going. And this is hatched the other day. That daylily is getting too thick. And the violets I've let growing over here. Funny thing is, we couldn't figure out what this orange line was that went this way until the other day when I found out it was a carpet cleaner's steam line that was hot and burnt the grass. Pansies coming up here and there. Daylily's thick. That tree is thick. The lilies of the valley are pretty thick. There was an iris right in there. Looks like the last of the creeping fox. Lots of lilies. The ones in the back there don't have any buds though. That tree is gone. First summer without that. And a sweet gum down there. I think it's a sweet gum. It's now gone. And this sweet gum is really behind. I think its branches got killed that offer the flowers and the seeds for the things, but that's good that we don't have those seeds coming this year. The geese are a little upset with Callie. Callie saw a deer and they didn't get the camera moving fast enough. She's right in there. Why did she leave in a hurry? No, there she is. Drinking out of the Maumee down by Side Cut. Looking for the cricket frogs we heard yesterday. No, get up here, Kelly. Come on, get up here. I think this is a spot where I heard the cricket frogs. When I came up this time, I heard chipmunk making a noise, and in the distance it almost sounded like a cricket frog. So maybe I was wrong. Oh my gosh, look how close you are. Hi. That's a big dog, huh, Kelly? That's a big dog. She's like 15 feet away. Come on. Whoa, Callie. I know, Callie, you want to get to her, but she can't see ya. She can't see ya. She's right there. Oh, looks like she's got some damage on her. Cuts and bruises or something. Okay, Callie. She's still there. She's still there. I know you can't even see her. Come on, see the deer, come on. He's right there.